Yo, what up? How's it going, friends? Now let's go ahead and teach you how you can remove the search icon from your Shopify Publisher theme. Okay. So to do this, what you just want to do is to come here to this three-dotted line. You want to click that, and you want to click on Edit Code. All right. And the moment you click on Edit Code, you're gonna land on the page just like this. Okay. So once you land on this page, you want to go ahead and come here to this doc file, which I'm going to be giving to you guys. Okay. And you want to copy this code right here. And you want to go ahead, click on Publisher, click on the assets. You want to come to base.css and you want to scroll down. Okay. You want to scroll down and you paste it here. Okay. And you click on save. And the moment you click on save, you come back and you can see that it is gone. All right. So this is exactly how you can remove this icon. Okay. And now let me teach you another method that you can use, which is called the custom method. Okay. And I'm going to just go ahead and save this again so that the icon can be back. But before I go ahead and teach you this method, please, if you've not subscribed to join the movement of getting this channel to 10,000 subscribers, so please try as much as possible to subscribe. I can't do this without you guys. Thank you very much. And now let's go ahead and remove this. You can use the header method. So the custom method. You want to come here to header, and you want to go down. Okay. And you want to come here to custom CSS. And there's something you're going to paste here. So that is if you don't want to use the code method of using the code. So you're going to come here. You want to come and copy this. Use this one that says to remove using CS. And you want to paste. All right. And now you see the code is gone again. All right. So this is exactly how you can remove the search icon from your Shopify Publisher theme. Okay. Using these two methods. All right. Thank you very much for your time. If this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials like this for you guys. And even if you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there who are looking for video tutorials just like this. Thank you very much. I will see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.